Hi children, today the lesson we are going to do is in your English workbook, page number 45. So today we are starting a new lesson. Opposites. So they want us color the picture, learn the opposites. Okay, so they want us to color the picture and then learn the opposites. Now this lesson is very important, children. This lesson you will need for the other grades as well. Okay, so opposites. Now let's see. Big, the opposite of big is small. No, it's a total different thing. No, it's the opposite. So if you say big, the opposite of big is small. Then tall, short. The opposite of tall is short. Then the opposite of young is old. Young, old. Then up. The opposite of up is down. Then hot, cold. So the opposite of hot is cold. And then happy, sad. The opposite of happy is sad. So you have to learn these words. You have to learn them. You have to memorize them. Okay. So you color this picture and learn it. Okay. Now turn to the next page, page number 46. Turn to page number 46. Okay. Learn the opposite words. Now you have to learn these, children. When you come to school, I am going to ask you these words. So you have to learn it, right? Like you learn dictation and you do the reading and things like that. You have to learn these words as well. So let's see the opposite words. Good. The opposite of good is bad. Fast, slow. Yes, no. Rich, poor. Beautiful, ugly. In, out. Strong, weak. Black, white. Fat, thin. Right, wrong. Clean, dirty. So these are all the opposite words. Okay, so you need to learn them. Right. Now they want us to match. In the exercise below, they want us to match the words. So they have given you a set of words onto the left side and the answers are on the right hand side. So let's see the words that they have given us. So the words on the left side is easy, new, early, long, heavy, open, first and wet. Right. Now we need to find the opposite words on the other side. Okay, so let's see the words that they have given us on the other side. Old, short, light, difficult, last, late, dry and close. Okay, so I will just do the first few for you. After that you have to do it on your own. So let's see the word easy. Easy. What is the opposite of the word easy? Difficult. Easy, difficult. Okay. Then new. What is the opposite of the word new? It's the word old. It's the word old. Then early. What is the opposite of early? It's late. Early, late. Then long. What is the opposite of long? It's short. Okay, so you can see, children, you have to learn this. No, you have to learn, otherwise you won't be able to do it. So the rest you can do on your own. Okay, you can do on your own. So you can, if you have still not learned it, you can look at the words above and you can match it. Okay, right. Let's go to the next one. Use the opposite word to fill in the blank. Use the opposite word to fill in the blank. Now you can see the first sentence. They have, in all the sentences, they have underlined the word that we should write the opposite of. So let's say see the first sentence. My father is tall. So you can see they have underlined the word tall. Now we have to find the opposite word for this word tall. Now you can see just along that they have given us I am and a blank. So what is the opposite word of tall? Short. So you will write the word short here. So what is the sentence then? I am short. So you can see the opposite, no? So the first one is my father is tall, I am short. Right? Then the next one, Anne's doll is new. Now they want us to write the opposite word for the word new. No? Now let's see, on the other side they have given us Kate's doll is. So what is the opposite of new? It's the word old. New, old. So let's see what the sentences are. Anne's doll is new, Kate's doll is old. So you can see new and old, those are the opposite words. Then the third one, my mother is young. So they want us to write the opposite word for this word young. So what is the opposite word of young? It's the word old. So you will write the word old here. So this is the way it goes. My grandmother is old. So the sentence is, my mother is young, my grandmother is old. So young and old are the opposite words. Okay children. So 4, 5, 6, 7 you have to do on your own. Okay. So there is no point in me giving you the answers for all. You have to study the words, the opposite words. So in the fourth one, the opposite word they want us to find is in the word poor. The fifth one happy, sixth one right, and seventh one fat. Okay. So you have to write the opposite words for that. Okay children. So please learn these words. When you come to school, I am going to ask you whether you know these words. Right children. So till I connect with you next. Bye.